How to use Marvel app. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Marvel app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Marvel app, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Marvel app, it is a web-based design and prototyping platform that allows individuals and teams to create interactive app and website mockups without the need for coding, in which it provides a tools for wireframing, prototyping, user testing, and collaboration, making it ideal for designers, developers, and product teams. And users can simply upload their design, add interactive hotspots, and simulate user flows to visualize the final product experience. And Marvel also offer an integration with tools like Sketch, Jira, and Slack, allowing seamless workflow across design and development teams. So now to create an account, you can click this button, sign up for free, and it will show you in here that you can click or simply fill out the required information or click sign up with Google right here. And once done, all you need to do is simply navigate here to add another project. But as you can see, I'm now currently creating my own project in here. This is basically what the dashboard looks like of their editing tools or software. And as you can see, I'm currently using the web. You could also choose either Android or your iPad, iPhone, and many more. I'm going to use the web, where firstly we're going to add a title in here. For the title one, you can simply double click it and enter the text or the title of your web page or website. For example, I'm going to enter Big Sam. By clicking on it, you could also adjust the size and also the location of it. And on the right side panel, we have here that you can adjust also the logo and also the font style that you prefer, the color of it, the alignment, the spacing, the opacity, where you could also adjust the size of it in here, where you can click this arrow button to make it larger in here. And aside from that, you can use the search bar in here on the left side panel to search for a specific kind of element, web here button, outline, email, and many more. For the button, let's say I'm going to enter here, instead of this context that says button, I'm going to simply customize it to make it subscribe button. So as you can see, we have now here the title and the subscribe button. You'd also add shape by clicking the box icon on the left side panel. And it will also automatically add the boxes where you can change on the right side panel the color of it and change the location, the border if you want to, change here or select here the kind of border that you prefer. So once entering here or selecting the border, all you need to do is simply drag the corner of it and you can adjust the size and also change the location of it directly in here. Now aside from that, in here again, you can change the position, the sizes to make it rotate, and even the radius in here if you want to make it have a corner which is a round shape. You can change also or customize the opacity of it, adjust the rotation, and many more. And now at this point, I'm going to make it on the center in here, so which is look like this one. So now that we have currently added this color and also the background of this shape box, we could also add here a circle by clicking this one or circle on the left side panel and do the same process of adjusting the size, the color, the border of it, the opacity, change the location, the position of it that you could also adjust, the sizes, the rotation, and many more. So from here, if you don't want to adjust this directly or manually, you can simply enter the sizes in here. So make sure all of the sizes of X and Y size is equivalent or the same in order to make it the position or equal in here. Now as you can see, it is now currently a rounded shape. You could also adjust by navigating on the corner of it to change the sizes if you want to, and rotate it directly by adjusting the rotation. I'm going to change the color of it like this one. Now for the border, I'm going to simply select here the color of the border, which is this one, and adjust the sizes a bit to make it solid. And now aside from these two shapes, you could also navigate to enter a text by clicking this text icon on the left side panel and just simply type here something, for example, random or randomizer in here. I'm going to simply input it in here in a circle and change also the font style that you prefer. So once done, you can now simply adjust here directly or change the font a bit. So basically on the right side panel, we can start adjusting some of the elements that we can find on the left side panel in here, including the arrangement, the position, the sizes, the opacity, the text, the type, also here the font style, font size, the color of it, spacing, and many more. So all of these are basically adjustable or customizable on the right side panel that we can see in here. As you can see, we have now currently added some other things, but you could also adjust here or add a line by simply navigating to add here a line by pointing on the first location to another. You could also change the border of it on the right side panel once again, and that all depends on your preferences on the color, the position, the length, and also the arrangement, either forward, backward, group, or ungroup in here. So once done, you could also add here an image by clicking the image. However, there is no available image at the moment, so you can simply upload from your computer files. So I'm going to simply upload it, this one, which is a car picture. You could also customize this to make it created to look at in here in our website or webpage. You can even adjust or fill the whole color of it if you want to. And for the arrangement, let's say I'm going to input it or put it backward or at the back of all of these elements, including the circle, the line, the text, and also this full graph. So for instance, I'm going to click this one or reposition it and click the backward option. And upon clicking on it, it will show you that the image is now currently at the backward of these elements. We can even adjust the opacity of here of these boxes to make it position like this one. So as you can see, we have now currently added our first type of graphical design where it seems as the car is inside the boxes. Aside from that, you could even adjust here or add some other tools, including around the button, a development, pop eyes, for example this pop over in here, in which by adding this, all you need to do is simply enter here the text that you want to enter, in which it may be a conversational or even just a simple conversation context that you prefer. For example, I'm going to enter here nothing much. So this is basically what it looks like. Moving on, aside from that, you'd also add a checkbox if you want to, a scroll bar, and even a task list or table in here. By clicking the table, it will show you that we have here now this table where you can adjust the sizes of it. But in this point, I'm going to delete this one or the graph. So we have now here this table added below this image. You can even adjust a video player if you want to and add a video to it. At this point, I'm not going to simply input it, but this is basically what it looks like if you're wondering. And once done of creating here your own design, you can click the download button on the top right to download some of the changes in here that we designed. But basically, the primary purpose of this Marvel app is to simply help users design a prototype and test digital products such as mobile apps and websites without the need for coding. It allows us, the designers, developers, and stakeholders to create an interactive prototypes quickly, simulate real-time user, and also gather feedback before development begins. And overall, that is just basically how you can use Marvel app. Thank you.